In a big win for the ruling DMK in Tamil Nadu, the Supreme Court today ruled that welfare schemes in the Chief Minister's name are fair game, overruling a previous Madras High Court order which had stayed promotion of schemes in MK Stalin's name briefly. The ruling was the result of the AIA-DMK complaint against the Stalin government for using his and other political leaders' name and image in welfare schemes. While granting relief to the Tamil Nadu government, the Supreme Court further imposed a cost of rupees 10 lakh on AIADMK MP C. Shanmugam for filing what they deemed an improper legal challenge and, quote, abuse of the legal system. The court noted that the petition was not well intentioned, as if it were really concerned about the misuse of welfare schemes for political mileage. It would have named all political parties in India, as the use of political leaders, both living and dead, and their name and image for welfare schemes is prevalent practice across states. The case centers on the Tamil Nadu government's practice of naming welfare schemes after political leaders. The petitioner argued that this practice constitutes a misuse of government resources for political advantage. He claimed that it violates the guidelines established by the Supreme Court and the Election Commission. His main concern was with the schemes named after the current Chief Minister MK Stalin, especially a scheme, Yours Stalin. The Supreme Court dismissed Shanmugam's arguments, stating that his motives appeared to target only one political party, while schemes from other parties also bore name of their political leaders, sometimes chief ministers as well. While dismissing the petition, Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai said, and I'm quoting, without even giving opportunity to the Election Commission of India to decide the representation by him, the petitioner rushed to a high court in a hurried manner. The Chief Justice called this petition an abuse of the legal system. Quote, the launching of schemes in name of political leaders is a countrywide phenomenon. The state of Tamil Nadu has provided at least 40 such examples from across the country. We don't wish to name them all the parties involved to avoid embarrassment to them, but we so not appreciate the anxiety of the petitioner only about one particular party, the court observed. Even as the ASG has sought more time to present detailed documents in the High Court, the High Court still passed an interim order pausing the use of Stalin's name. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi told the top court the government was only attempting to provide a platform to citizens to access welfare schemes, and new scheme was not being launched. This ruling overturned a previous order from the Madras High Court that had temporarily barred the government from naming new welfare programs after living individuals, including CM Stalin. The bench clarified that the implementation or operation of schemes was not blocked, only the naming and promotional content was restricted.